All right, day 5, final day. We'll be wrapping this truck up, and I will be getting some rest this weekend. But for today, we got a few things going on. We got to finish up the fuel system, which is almost done. Just got to run a couple lines. Get the truck down, put the wheels and tires on it, get the AC installed, got some hoses. Other than that, man, we're pretty good. So as they work,
He's so grumpy.
or pretend they work,
He's so grumpy.
we're gonna get busy.
I know. Someone get him
It's
some
Friday,
Starbucks.
the last day of the build.
Get him some Starbucks.
I can't wait to be done. It's been fun, it's been real, but it's time to work.
It's been true.
What are you guys
Semper
doing?
Fi.
Are you guys working?
Not really.
Not really. So
I'm
today's
waiting
gonna be
for
like
you.
any other day.
I'm awaiting
This is the LMC Truck C-10 Nationals Classic Trucks Week to Wicked build presented by Gandrud Chevrolet.
Is that how today's gonna be? You gonna start talking and not listening? Is that what you're gonna do? Okay, so we can use these here.
These are 3, it's MPT.
Yeah, we can use those here. 100 micron filter if you're doing a pre-filter, but since our filter is already in the tank, we're not using a pre-filter because it'd be kind of hard to put one before the pump because the pump's already in the tank. So we'll use an after filter, 10 micron, just don't forget that. 100 micron, you'd plug up pretty quickly. 10 micron, you'll be running all day long. What you got going on
Could
here?
you imagine that this shift linkage runs right into the hydrostop unit? I couldn't imagine because I bet somebody saw that and went, huh, well wait till they get to do it on Friday. Kind of like the front sway bar.
Come on, buddy, you got this.
I know, I just don't want to deal with
Come on. You got this, you got
it.
this.
We should put a floor shifter in it.
You got it? So, regulator right here. Can you see the regulator? There's no f***ing way.
Hey, look at this. No faith in anyone. Doesn't trust anybody to
Wait,
do their
look,
job.
this is why, because he's all, oh, okay. We got our filter is gonna go here with the bracket. Our regulator is gonna go here with the bracket. So we'll come in with a gas tank line out to the fuel injection. This will return to the tank for the fuel that's not being used. And that's just what it's gonna look like.
Yeah, I know. We've been talking about that.
What about?
You not drinking coffee.
Why are you guys talking about that?
Because you're until about noon. We think you should start drinking coffee and that might help.
Am I really a till noon?
I would say he's until he takes his sweatshirt off. Would that be about right? Because that's about right. That's when he warms up and everything's. You're kind of like a reptile, buddy. When you're cold, it takes a long time for you to warm up, and you're kind of snippy.
Yeah. Okay.
But then you lay out on that rock for a while and you start warming up, and then it's like, okay. Grunt louder. What are you doing?
I'm trying to put this on.
You need to grunt louder. It'll work better. Yes, better. Louder. There we go.
Yeah.
It's kind of a big deal.
He always does that to me, and I'm really starting to get to the point where I'm not liking it.
What?
You imitating my voice.
That was not me imitating your voice at all. I was not.
He's done it all week.
That wasn't what I was doing. That was just a silly voice. That wasn't directed towards
Oh,
anyone.
it sounded like this. Oh, hello, Jason.
Okay.
There you go, buddy.
I was gonna run it through here.
Just run it like this.
Is this tight? Did we tighten
Don't get tricky.
Did you tighten that?
Yeah. Okay. Just let it like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's all good.
So then
we'll
put this,
wait for
then put
wait
this.
On that, wait on this. Wait on those.
Put that right to something on the core support. That way everything up here is already grounded. There you go. I don't know what he's doing. Why are you soldering all that when we have crimpers to crimp them all?
I did crimp it
Oh, and you're soldering them now?
just a little bit.
Why? You know that crimper's made just for crimping? And then they actually have those to solder too? They have
but
solder
you
ends?
crimp it and solder.
Is that how they tell them you do it?
Yeah.
Really?
Okay.
Okay. My bad.
Delicious. Looks good.
Well, you too can be at the C-10 Nationals and win this truck.
All you got to do is
They'll
register.
have me somewhere else. Though. But it is good.
Let's see, the weekend of May 4th and 3rd and 4th, where will you be?
Well, that's Mother's Day weekend, isn't it? Or is that the week
No, that's
before?
Cinco de Mayo, actually.
Cinco de Mayo.
It's my favorite kit. I have one in my 56. I have one in the Novia.
You want some gloves?
No.
Whoa!
What's up, bro? You ever gonna finish that there?
We're gonna
Thank
wait
you.
till you get that installed to judge your work.
Look at that. Look
Okay.
at what we got.
Saw that.
Oh! Summit in the house. Okay, get that too. So we were missing about, I don't know, 6, 7 different things, including hoses. We needed a Lokar pedal, so Summit is literally 1 call away. We ordered the stuff yesterday. It's here today, so looks like we're going to be in pretty good shape.
It's still hot.
People who like your page, parts clean.
John.
You can't make this stuff up.
Look at that, straight from Summit. Fits like a glove.
Yeah, pause track. It's got pause track.
Well, we got our Lokar throttle pedal. This is gonna bolt right into the stock location, making it super easy on us. Now it shouldn't.
That got a little hot. Oh. Now we got some serious trouble walking in here. Are we in park?
Yeah.
Park both sides?
Should be.
Should be or could be? Want to mark that?
I'd like to go
Yeah, I want to mark it.
a little longer. All right, buddy. Hoo-ah.
Well, now that we got our American racing wheels on there, wrapped with the Falcon tires, put a few lug nuts on there. Don't cross-thread them.
No, don't.
And we'll get this thing down on the ground. We got the AC and lights to do, and I think that's about it. Fire it up, fire it up.
We already did the front, Tim, and I think Christian did the rear marker lights. All we gotta do are the tail lights and this other headlight.
The rear LED tail lights. They just plug and play, so they're already, the LED lights are already in the board here, or the lens, I should say, and they go right into the socket. Couldn't be easier. And then up we go. Make sure your wiring's not pinched. And that goes like that. Put the factory bolts back in, screws. Really good.
Gonna go through the lights, Chris, while JJ gets this mounted, unless he needs my help.
we need 2 people on this one.
You got this.
I'm not worried. Dude, the lights are at least good. They'll turn on with the headlight switch.
No, I just want to check them real quick. Okay, so what did we decide? This is the Old Air Hurricane unit.
We're gonna cut a hole in here so we can run
Eyeball.
our lines out.
Sorry. I'm sorry you're having to go through this pain. What hole? How big
I'm
is
cool,
that?
man. I'm cool.
How big is that? How big is that? No, just in case it. Yeah, just for.
Oh, I have a lot of body filler on there.
You want to go through the other side?
No. This is way easier on this side. No, that's my, I'm using that.
Okay.
It's my spacer.
Here, you want to put this under? It'll be softer. Good thing is it's that big.
Hey, can you tone off me for a minute, bro?
Oh, yeah.
If you're through the hole. Yeah, you're through. Got a pair of new billet hood hinges from Eddie Motorsports. We're gonna throw on here real quick in anticipation of mounting the hood here back on the truck shortly. Okay, little buddy, you need some help?
Ready? This is the evaporator. I'm gonna slide it through Ryan and hopefully we'll get somewhere with it. You can't see the holes or anything?
Just jam it in there.
Uh-uh.
There you go, right there.
There, it's grabbing something.
Did you get one started?
Yep.
Wow.
So just hang tight.
As we get closer to firing it up, we're gonna get some power steering fluid in the reservoir.
Yeah. So also you can't, so that you can't. Right at that heater hose.
LMC, you know what that stands for?
Go fast. There you go.
No, that's the only. I put like 1.5 quarts in it, and then we put some in the torque converter. But see, it doesn't even look like it's coming on there. So let's put a little more in.
There it is.
God, oh my God.
That's it right there, JJ.
Stuff's happening. Turn ignition off for
Programming
4 seconds. We're done. Ready?
Yep.
Turn the distributor a little.
Which way you want to go? Did you time? Did we?
How can I time it without it running?
Okay, that's counterclockwise.
Let's just double check firing order because some of the plug wires were pretty close to the same length, and I went, probably goes there.
And what?
6572.
6.5.
So this is 7.
Okay, so this is 5.
Okay.
5, 7, 2. Is this 2, Chris?
Double check. I'm pulling it right now, right?
Yeah.
Pulling, which is that one. Yeah.
And we'll go through these later and make them ready.
I'd imagine that going on in here.
Okay, let's try that, I guess. Try that.
Just crack the line right there. Make sure there's no air. We've had a lot of problems with air.
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of air. So let's just bleed it off. Ready?
Leave it loose.
Oh, I just saw the line flex.
Oh yeah. You got to feel now.
I think we still got some cross wires for sure.
Oh, I got sick of inhaling gas and fumes.
Oh, don't be sick.
We got, let's just double check that firing order. It's got to be off.
Something's weird.
Okay. 1, 8, 4, 3, 6. Now I need 5. 5, I need 7. Oh, there's a problem. I'm missing 2. Two. Coil. All right, we should be good now. Okay.
It's like every 5 seconds I'll see the blue mark fly by and
As long as we're, let me just see how it starts back up. We're good. All right, Friday night. It's not Saturday yet. The build's finished. We're ready to take it out for a little drive.
That's right, and it's kind of an ominous finish because for once it's raining in Southern California.
Yeah, nobody predicted that, not even the weathermen.
Nah, they can't get that right. But you know, we're gonna take this thing out for a drive anyways. Because you know what? Christian's coming in the morning to clean it.
That's right. So it's been a good week. We finished it. We started it. And there was a middle somewhere around there.
There was a beginning, a middle, and an end.
In that order.
And I think we are just beginning our adventure.
That's right. So I'm happy to say we are done. It is Friday and it's not Saturday, and I'm going to sleep in a little bit tomorrow and enjoy my weekend. And why don't we get in this?
That's right, because it's Friday and it's not Saturday.
That's right. So
Yeah.
let's get out of here.
Let's go. I'll drive this time, buddy.
Oh, let's crisscross.
Okay, applesauce. Right there. Oh!
Yeah! Oh!
Boy, I can't believe how much sheet metal LMC truck had to replace on this thing.
It was pretty
But
jacked.
it looks really good now.
So
It's got a new hood, it's got new doors, it's got a new bed,
fenders.
new fenders. They had to put a floor in it. Just a tiny bit of drag. Not too bad.
let's just go around the block, yeah?
I don't even know if I want to go out on the street. It's raining so hard.
We're already here. Alrighty. Here we go.
It is really coming down. Dude, this is bad.
Yeah, let's go back.
There's no reason.
Alrighty, so believe it or not, we made it all the way around the block that quick.
At least I can see if it shifts in the parking lot and stuff. It is flooding our parking lot right now there, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow.
And that ain't no joke.
This is California. This doesn't happen.